Hi guys, welcome to this week's vlog. So I'm on my way out. I'm going to get some gifts for the kids. Yesterday was Val's Day, so in their school they're celebrating it today, and they're supposed to give to their friends and teachers things. So I'm going somewhere to get it. They actually sent the memo late yesterday, so I couldn't go on Sunday. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get it and then just get a few stuff for the house, and yeah, that's it.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you.
So guys, we're at Hobby's site. When I was shopping for the gift items, Hobby came to meet me at my local supermarket, and we came together to the new site he got. The house has already been built, but it's like they didn't do a good job. So someone recommended Hobby to the man, the owner of the house, and so he's trying to change a lot of things, do a lot of things. I'm going to be showing you guys the house in a bit. Just changing a lot of things. From there, we'll now go home. I'm already feeling a bit dizzy. But for those that are interested and maybe building, you know, please reach out to us, baby. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming.
Eventually.
It won't take long.
You don't take long, Abby? Oh. Okay, I want chicken, sir. What should we do chicken?
Let's mix it.
Let's chicken. I want chicken. How they say? The more talk one first.
500.
For how many pieces?
1 piece. How much?
Okay, put one chicken and suya too.
Yeah.
Put suya 4.
You need to.
We'll eat the car, but we'll wait for
Yeah, I want fish. You don't like fish.
I do have fish though.
How much your fish?
1,000.
1,000. Okay, it's already done.
I see them.
Okay.
Just one. Don't do this one.
Don't buy this one.
They don't dry.
Don't buy this one. This one.
Let's you have to buy water.
3 days later.
Oh, baby, I'm looking like a baby.
Very much.
I'm looking like I don't understand. The beauty is too much. The beauty. I don't. Did you put it in your bag? Baby, you always ask me for your things. You keep it somewhere. You be asking me. So guys, good morning. Good morning. Hobby is traveling today, so we're going off. We're off. We're going off. We're off to the airport to go and pick him up. You stop shouting now. Why are you not raising your voice?
But it's funny.
Oh, you held it. Okay, so what would have happened to it? What am I using it to do?
But this nobody puts this on top of it now.
Somebody.
Yes, it's you.
Okay. Thank you to those that watched my videos, commented my building video. Hey, dude.
I'm going to back up. I'm just getting that because you have to tell you. Thank you. You are going to be vexing. No, telling me.
I'm supposed to be vexing.
Yes, now.
That you're traveling.
Yes, now.
Okay. See my boo. Let us go together, then I will now come back home. I will have to get a few things for Jina's cream is finished. My toner is finished. So I'm also going to get Titus fish from the supermarket. What I'm buying from the supermarket, guys, I've suffered. So I've been buying my fish from the market, normal fish market, and somehow they've been selling fake fish to me. Fish that as if it has spoiled or there is chemical in it. I'm like, no, I cannot deal. Let me buy the one that is expensive. So far it's good. Let me know in the comment section if I'm the only one. I cannot differentiate between, you know, they say they have 2 types of titles. I can't differentiate it, but guys, like, somebody will swear and swear and swear and swear and swear, and somehow they would give you the one that is like fake. It's very, very annoying. So that's what I'm doing. This my hair don't even try. I have to take it out. Guys, I plan to rearrange my room. Before Obi comes back, you'll see a different room. You'll see a different house. I plan to change everything, move things. This, I don't think it's going to be here again. I'm going to figure out where to keep it. My dresser, like I'm just going to change everything. So bye. I don't understand this side glass. Is it nice? Does it go with, like, not that it's not nice, but does it go with the look?
It's okay. It's your complexion.
1 eternity later.
Guys, I just finished shopping, and guys, like, I'm so tired. I don't know why I'm feeling very tired. The weather is really bad. I don't know if it's Abuja or it's a Nigerian weather thing. It's so hot, and somehow, like, this is not the weather to not have money. You'll just be angry because it's somehow there is dryness, it's hot, then if your AC is now mistakenly not working, hey. Hey, let me go home, I beg. I don't tire. Please, I have a question to ask, guys. These road safety people on the road that stop people whenever, like, they focus on cars, whenever they see you or their home will stand, but they see people selling. Is it right for people to be selling on the road? It's convenient, yes, but is it right? And the annoying thing is that these road safety people, they actually like stand on the road and they see you and somehow they don't even stop you. Let me know in the comment section, please. Guys, I just had to move my camera this way because people are just Like, I don't even know what is going on this road today. People are just driving wah wah wah, like serious wah wah wah. Hey, the annoying ones are like school buses, guys. School buses are the worst. That's why to even do this school bus thing, it's not even easy for me. Situation happened and I couldn't just be going to go and pick my kids again anymore. So we had to do the school bus. I see other people's school buses driving like, you see a school bus with children inside, driving as if he doesn't know that there are children inside, and they are not like, hey Jesus. Okay. Oh Allah. Whether you come and pick her, Abby? Okay, said you will come. Amy is a money man. Amy no fit find me small. Amy no fit find me 10K. Amy the please. No wahala, babe. Okay, no wahala. I gotta go. Alright, bye. Fam. Hobby just called me and told me that they've boarded. So I'm missing Hobby. I won't even lie. I'm about to go compose a love letter to my boo, you know, telling him how I'm missing him and how I love him so much. Do you guys do that? Let me know in the comment section. I feel like I should tell you guys this part of me. Let me just tell you guys, I'm a lover girl. Like, I'm a strong lover girl, right? I'm the kind of person that when my hobby is not around, like he's at work, I can actually send him a message, you know, one crazy message or just one lovely, sweet, I love you message, or, you know, all those kind of things. I'm that kind of girl. Like, as he traveled now, I send him, you know, special messages telling him how I love him and how, you know, all the things he does for us. We're so proud of him, all of us. And really, it makes him very happy. And I think I would advise that you should do that to your partner, because it just gives them this morale, whether you're a man watching this video or you're a woman watching this video. Because he actually tells me, he actually does the same. Really, he actually calls me to tell me he loves, and we're the kind of couple that we tell each other we love each other every time. Like, we're not the type of people that say, oh, we know. Yes, we know, but we also want to hear it, you know, that kind of thing. Like, I like my hubby telling me I look beautiful, no matter how many people tell me I'm beautiful. Hobby's own is helele. Like, when he tells me, till they bust my brain. I don't know. Jesus, am I dramatic? Anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys this thing about me, you know. Maybe every day I'll be dropping something about me that you guys don't know. I just got home. Let me park. Hey, oh yeah, will come and carry my load. I'm tired, please. Hey, my kids will just be missing me. All right, guys, bye.
12 o'clock midnight.
Guys, so many things are just worrying me. It's really late here. It's almost like 12, I think, or 11. I don't even have strength to even look at my phone. That's how bad it's doing me. My tailor is like, I don't even know whether to say my tailor has disappointed me. Ola's child education / baptism is soon, and I gave her some clothes. She calls me that her shop, that they broke down the shop and blah 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 blah. The point now is that I've already finished pricing with her, you know, and now all the other tailors I'm talking to, they're just calling the big price for me. The ones that can really sew, they're calling the big price for me. Like, I just want to faint. I like the fainting, okay? Meanwhile, my breast milk is not coming out. I don't know what's going on. Like, it's so small. Before, I can stay and my whole clothes will be stained with breast milk, especially when I wake up in the morning. But these days, I don't even, like, even if I press my breast, I don't notice anything. Yes, I've stopped taking pap, but even when I stopped taking pap, it was still coming out. All of a sudden, it's not coming out again. I don't know what's going on. I need help, guys. Is there anything I can do or take, or apart from pap, or is there any reason why it's happening? Because, like, it seems just doing me somehow. How I went from producing lots and lots and loads of breast milk to not producing at all. I think I've never experienced it before in any of my babies and all. So it's doing me like film. Guys, I'm so sleepy and tired. I'm sorry. Ola doesn't want to sleep. I want to sleep. That's why you see me, you know, my eyes are, but I'm so sleepy.